And what is that? Okay. What is the motivation to make this a Korean community?
The motivation is that we all watch Korean dramas, but our friends don't, and they don't understand. And so we were looking for other people who understood and loved the dramas the way we did. One of our members talks about she loves to come to these things because she feels like she's home. She can say, "Oh, did you see that kiss?" And we all understand what kiss she was talking about, and we all feel the same thing, and we all understand. And we're all here because we're all interested in Korean culture and Korean food, and that's all because we watch the dramas in the first place.
What are you going to do your activity for this community?
The activity for today, we have a presentation by Dr. Babe, and then after that, and we've been having like door prize raffle drawings. Then we have a game where people are going to listen to clips of music and they have to tell me what drama the music came from. And we have bingo, and that usually takes all day. I mean, this takes all day.
And please leave a briefly greeting message for the MCTV, KBS, MKTV audience in Korean community.
Okay, we love you, MKTV, and we love you, KBS. Thank you so much.
Yay!